Today I'm gonna show you how to use the guideline in Flash. Now you can see the guideline, but there's you can see in our video. Now go create the new composition, shift the oval tool just to make it circle form. Gonna select the selection tool to select, then pre-transform to change the size of an object, then add a guideline. Then I'm going to make sure that you have been clicking in your guideline. Then men's pencil to make a line. Then add the classic motion in your layer. Then just like that. So play. But that is wrong. Sorry for the mistake that I've done for my video tutorial. Now you can see that our balls are same moving as in our order in our line. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.